Hey guys, so in this quick video we're going to learn how to upload a video to Canvas. And so we're here in our course orientation module. You've made it this far. Just quickly, you started from home. This is our opening page. You came down here, you get started in modules, click that, and this is our course orientation module. And this week, this first week, you have to do your meet each other discussion. I did a video in Meet Your Instructor, and you're going to do one in this discussion thread. And this little thing right here, see it says discussion topic. So this is an assignment that you know you have. And so you go through and you read all my directions, and you're now watching this little video. So you come down here to start your reply. I did 2 sample videos for you guys in these threaded replies, and then you guys are ready to make your own. So you just simply hit reply, and you can, the super easiest way is you can just go right here on record upload media, and this is going to just be using your own computer camera. So here's this. Woohoo, here I am. See? So and then you can just start recording and say hello, this is me, and I'm a new student at DVC, and rock on, and whatever you want to say. Okay, so I don't know where the camera is. I guess you would be looking here, up there. Okay, so there's that way. Then you can also, for those of you who like to use your own little YouTube videos that you've uploaded, you can just click this, and it's going to give you a box to do a YouTube link, which you would grab the URL and put it right up in there. That works. And yes, we want to cancel. Oops, sorry. And then final way is you can do insert edit media, which also would just give you a, you can just from a phone video or something, you can grab a URL that you know texted, or you mailed the phone video, the one you made on your phone, you mailed that to yourself in your email. You grab a URL and you can put that in there, or an embed code if you wish. Just experiment around with these things. And finally, a link to a URL is also okay, but it would be a video URL. Like a YouTube one, for example, a video URL. There's as most of you guys probably know, there's several video platforms you can use. So those are some ways to do it. And then also you can just add to your reply. I also wanted to tell everyone that I am so excited to be at DVC, or whatever other information you want to add. And that will also go along with, you know, you still can grab and add your video after you type. You can do both. Okie dokie. So that's it, guys. Thank you.